Good diction welcomes you all. Now we have come to the last part of the tenses. I have done nearly 5 or 6 videos on this. So we have come to the last video. With this, the chapter tenses gets over. Now here we are going to learn about the 4 types of future tense. The first one is simple future tense. I have already done a video on this and I have given you a lot of examples. Now let us recollect what you have learnt. I have already told you I and we, the pronouns I and we will take will or shall. Only these two pronouns can take shall. Others will take only will. So we go with the examples. I will draw a picture, or you can say I shall draw a picture. The same thing goes with we. We will draw a picture, or we can say we shall draw a picture. But other pronouns will take only will. They won't take shall. You will draw a picture, they will draw a picture, she or he will draw a picture. This is simple future tense. Now coming to the next one, simple future continuous tense. The structure for this is will or shall plus be plus verb in the form of ing. Now this simple future continuous tense is used to denote an action that will be in progress at some point of time in the future. I repeat, this simple future continuous tense is used to denote an action that will be in progress at some point of time in the future. For example, you can say, I shall be drawing a scenery in the evening. Or you can say, I will be drawing a scenery in the evening. We shall be drawing a house tomorrow, or we will be drawing a house tomorrow. She or he will be drawing a plan for us. They will be drawing a picture of their house in a short time. So all these examples denote an action that will be in progress at some point of time in the future. And already the structure is, remember the structure, you should use will or shall plus be plus verb in the form of ing. That is simple future continuous tense. The next one, future perfect tense. The structure for this is will or shall plus have plus past participle form of the verb. What is a past participle? I already told you, when you take a verb eat, eat is a present tense, ate is a past tense, and eaten is the past participle. Like that, write, wrote, written. Like that you can take draw, drew and drawn. So drawn is the past participle form of the verb draw. So this is used, this future perfect tense is used to refer to the completion of an action by a certain time in the future. To refer to the completion of an action by a certain time in the future. Examples, I shall have drawn a picture by then. It's specifying the time. By now I should have drawn the picture. I shall have drawn a picture by then, or I will have drawn the picture by then. We shall have drawn a picture by this time, or we will have drawn a picture by this time. He or she will have drawn a plan by evening. So you're specifying a certain time in the future. And last one, future perfect continuous tense. The structure for this is will or shall plus have been plus present participle form of the verb. The present participle form of the verb is the verb in the form of ing. So this is used, this future perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which will begin before a given moment in the future, will continue up to that moment, and will be in progress even at that moment. You understood? I'll read again. To express an action which will begin before a given moment in the future, will continue up to that moment, and will be in progress even at that moment. For example, I have given you only 2 examples here. They will have been drawing a plan to build a school by the end of this week. So they're giving a specific time. They're trying to build the building By the end of this week, they will give a plan for this. They will have been drawing a plan to build a house by the end of this week. They are trying to build a school, so the plan will be given to you by the end of this week. The second one is, it's a negative sentence. Elizabeth will not have been shopping for 6 hours. Elizabeth will not have been shopping for 6 hours. She will shop only for 1 or 2 hours. She won't shop for 6 hours. Elizabeth will not have been shopping for 6 hours. So it's a negative statement. That's it for today. Meet you in the next video with a new chapter. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.